Hello guys, welcome to BrainTech. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy crypto in your Revolut app. First of all, we're gonna go to the crypto at the bottom, and here you can see all the coins. It's very easy. You tap on the point more, you see, you click on what you wanna buy, for example Bitcoin, and here you can see the sell and the buy option. So you press on buy. In this example, I want to buy 25 or €2. You review the order and it takes a while, but then you get the Bitcoin in your Revolut app. I hope this video helped you out. Please let me know if you have any further questions about the Revolut app down below in the comments. See you in the next one.